What's the cat's name?
Is he Diesel?
That's Milky.
Monkey.
You know that, baby. Merry Christmas.
Mom.
What is that? Is that a guitar?
Yeah.
Why don't you go wake Samantha up? Go tell her Santa Claus came.
Mom. I don't want a movie.
Go wake Samantha up.
Hey, Bugs.
Go wake Samantha.
Hey.
You go get Samantha.
Bell.
Go
That
get
is
Samantha.
Tinkerbell.
Samantha.
You gonna get up or you gonna tell Santa to take the presents back? Go. Let's see if you got it. You think any of them are for you?
This is not a big one.
I don't know if that one's for you. Samantha, you gonna let me see if it's for you or Haley?
Which one?
Well, how do
What's
you know?
yours?
You can't read. Haley, you want me to see if that's for you or Samantha? Yeah. Yeah.